Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to sign up for Google Docs. So let's start. First of all, over here I am in Google. Here I will type Google Docs and hit enter. You can see here Google Docs. But now I will go with Google Apps. Tap on this Google Apps and scroll down a bit and you will find these docs. Tap on this. If you are logging in for the first time, you will find the interface like this. Then all we need to do is enter our email address. For now, I'll enter my and tap on next. Then after that, enter your password. Then you can see here we have successfully signed in for our Google Docs. In this way, we can sign up for Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.